Hey YouTube family, welcome to Coding Quill. Today we are going to see that how to download and install CodeBlock ID, which is a popular choice for C programming. So let's move on to our web browser. You can use any web browser to install CodeBlock ID. Okay, I am using the Google Chrome only. So search for the CodeBlock on Google and click on to the first link, which is our www.codeblocks.org. After that, you are simply redirect to this page, and on left side you can see this section. So click on to download section, or simply close this. Okay, so although you are redirect to download page, on right side you can see this download the binary release. Okay, so simply click on this, and in binary release you can see this Microsoft Windows. Simply scroll down, Microsoft Windows, and click onto the fourth link, which is your CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. You have to download this one, MinGW compiler set. Don't install this setup file or anything else, because we need to install some compiler also to run our C program or C++ program. So simply click on this. I'll select, and here is the ForceHub or source forge.net. So simply click on this, and your download will start it shortly. So and yes, where you need to download this code block, so I will choose only downloads and save. You can see the download is started. You can see the download is completed. It's all about 145 MB. Okay, so let's move on to the how to install it. And yes, you can see this code block setup MinGW1. So simply click on this, and it's your user account control. Simply click on yes. Welcome to code block setup. Click on next. License agreement, I agree. You can see this MinGW compiler suite. Okay, and where you need to save all this folder, code block folder. So you can save on C file or C drive or D drive. I will choose D drive. It's all about 531.5 MB of setup. Install it. It takes some time, so wait for a seconds. You can see our download is completed. So simply click on next and complete code or finish. See, our code block is running. It's a 20.03 version. So you can see this is our code block interface. Okay, so we'll write our first program, or simply hello world. So first one is our include stdio.h. Okay, zoom it first. Okay, me printf hello world, return 0. So save this on anywhere you want to save. Simply write hello world, simply write hello world dot c. So dot c is your extension of C programming. So simply save this and build and run. You can see hello world. So thanks everyone. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you on Tuesday with a new topic.